Hey everybody, it's Neil. I am going to show you this here. This is a foam washing system for like washing your car or washing anything. I'll show you what it is and all the pieces and parts for it. So it comes with the container here. So this is the where you'll fill it up, and it's got the little level indicators on the side there. We've got a couple of little tip things here. We'll look at that in a second. And then this is going to be the nozzle, and then that's where we hook it up to the compressor and whatnot. And we have two different, I guess we get an extra little lid here. And let's see what it says here as far as connecting this up. So what should you know about the snow foam lance? So it's a snow foam lance. So it looks like we'll probably connect this up in here. It has a foam control lever knob. So it looks like we'll fill this up with our foaming agent of soap and whatnot. We'll close it up here. We will connect our air nozzle, air compressor up to this. And then as we do this, it should be shooting out the foam, and that'll be, we have different levels of volume from this and from this. So let's see. So, right, and then this is the foam maker in here. And it looks like there is one in there already. Let me see, how do we get to it? Let's see, where is it? The foam maker. I guess it would all have to come apart. You pull this little pin out, and I don't have a pin puller. Excuse me. I don't have a pin puller, but you pull that out to pull this whole apparatus out if you need to replace your little foam device. And this is the little foam device here. It's that little mesh there. So that's how you can do that here. This is going to be a cleaning pin, and then an extra little other nozzle. So you've got all these extra pieces and parts in there as well. And this is how you would make foam. So as you put in all the stuff, it'll make the foam. So this will be a fun little thing to play with. So we are gonna probably be doing this over at the workshop soon. And we will try to clean some stuff off with this and see how the foaming works. But really cool. Here's the instructions if you need it. There's that side and this side. So super cool. So if you need a foaming thing, pick this one up. Nice. I like all the different pieces and parts. It's very well made.